So we are using this setting spray. Now what I like about this is Wishful Honey Balm on her skin. Especially for winters, I think it will do wonders because you know everybody's skin is flake. Okay, now this balm to me is feeling slightly oily. It's very smooth. It's actually बहुत ही soft है. But I don't want it to interfere with my makeup. So now I'm just going to be using it on the areas I need to just mattify. Okay, little black. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I think I'm in the Diwali mood myself. Yeah. So all the areas that one is just to use this red. Okay. And now the other option is to just use a darker color. Both are correct. So you see this is, and again it's a very matte foundation, full coverage by Marc Jacobs. It's amazing coverage. Yeah. No. 32 is this one. 33 is what I use. Slightly. Some artists, they only use concealers all over the face. A very beautiful shade. So now this you can just take in your blusher brush, nude stick on your cheeks. Any powder, yet I am using a powder. Okay? Look this side. Because क्या होता है when I use it over the, just apply it on the धीरे धीरे. More softly. Just need to dab it very lightly. Keeping the eyebrows in place. ठीक है? This is if you are using pencil. There are a lot of ways of doing eyebrows. Okay, now this is a Scott Barnes palette, so you can see it's actually a very strong palette. So with a palette like this, I really don't even need to do it. And you can also take it to the eyebrows like this. For people, or unless you're doing like a bride who you want to add little, darker eyebrows. Because कई लोगों की बहुत black होती है ना eyebrows. Easily dab all over your eyelid. Nice matte. Darker color. नहीं होगा बट फिर भी यहाँ होना चाहिए हमारे पास. Oh, retrograde is love. साइड से डार्क करते हैं तो द आईज लुक लिटिल अप एंड, और जब हम दोनों साइड डार्क करते हैं येलो के लिए तो आईज लुक मोर ब्राउन. ओके, just again popping out. In brown shade, like a reddish brown. So we have not only worked on the upper eyelid, we have also worked on the here I'm adding a little bit of slight shine. Okay, you got the same, this whole look. Why I like it, I'll tell you for the reason. Even if I apply it on top of powder, it stays. It's the only cream blusher I know in the world which आप लिपस्टिक आपको लिक्विड लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। और लिप्स भी ड्राई फील करेंगे क्लाइंट के, तो सम क्लाइंट्स आर